Do you want to write a heart? Want to do a heart? Like. Oh shit! Shoot.
Yeah, he's recording it.
Oh.
I got this.
You got this?
Alright, sprinkle.
Sprinkle it on there. Oh wait, hold on. Let me fix this.
Why?
Oh man. Okay, go ahead. Now sprinkle it. Yeah, there you go. Shake it. Like a Polaroid picture. Shake it. There you go. Do it wherever you want sprinkles. You want sprinkles over here? Do you want me to put like a heart?
Yeah. Let's look.
Are you trying to do like an actual heart?
Like the Jarvis heart?
Jarvik.
There you go.
Let's do it here. Can you do it like that?
There you go. That's good. This is the best cake Nana's ever going to have.
Why?
Because you made it.
This is not my cake.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
What are you going to say to Nana? Okay, you can suck your thumb. Suck it. Suck it.
Lick it. Now he's gonna.